Official inflation figures are expected to be the highest since the global financial crisis, when the consumer price index for the first 3 months of this year is released today. Leading economists are warning inflation numbers will seal the deal for a huge June interest rate rise, which Westpac says could increase by 40 basis points. Refinitiv is forecasting prices to have risen 1.7% over the last few months and 4.6% since 12 months ago, which would be the largest increase since September 2008. Westpac believes it could go even higher, predicting a 2% CPI jump in the past quarter and a 4.9% jump since a year ago. Ross Greenwood will bring you the latest official inflation figures when the consumer price index is revealed. That'll be live at 11:30 today.